Streams and file I/O objectives. Become familiar with the concept on I/O stream. Understand the difference between binary files and text files. Learn how to save data in a file. Learn how to read data from a file. Outline overview of streams and file I/O. Text file I/O using the file class. Basic binary file I/O. Object I/O with object streams. Graphics supplement, it is optional. So these are all the outline of this streams and file I/O. Objectives, it is used to learn how use the classes, that is output object stream and object input stream, object output stream, to read and write class objects with using binary files. I/O overview. What is I/O? I/O is an input and output. In this context, it is input to and output from programs. Input to and output from programs. Input that can be from keyboard or a file. Output can be to display screen or a file. Advantages of file input output. It's a permanent copy. Output from one program that can be input to another program. Input that can be automated rather than entered manually. The main point we have to note here, since the sections on text file input output and binary file input output have some similar information, some duplicate. Streams. Stream an object that either delivers data to its destination, screen, file, etc., or that takes data from a source, keyboard, file, etc. It acts as a buffer between the data source and destination. Input stream. A stream that provides input to a program. System in is an input stream. Output stream as a stream that accepts output from a program. System out is an output stream. A stream connects a program to an I/O object, input output object. System out connects a program to the screen. System in connects a program to the keyboard. Binary versus text files. All data and programs are ultimately just zeros and ones. Each digit can have one of two values, hence binary. Here bit is one binary digit. Byte is a group of 8 bits. Text files. The bits represents printable characters. 1 byte per character for ASCII, the most common code. For example, Java source files are text files. So, is any file created with the text editor. Binary files. The bit represents other types of encoded information such as executable instructions or numerical data. These files are easily read by the computer but not humans. They are not printable files. Actually, you can print them, but they will be unintelligible. Printable means easily readable by humans when printed. Java text versus binary files. Text files are more readable by humans. Binary files are more efficient. Computers read and write binary files more easily than text files. Java binary files are portable. They can be used by Java on different machines. Reading and writing binary files is normally done by a program. Text files are used only to communicate with humans. Java text files, source files, occasionally input files, and occasionally output files. Java binary files, it is executable files. It is created by compiling source files, usually input files, usually output files. Text files versus binary files. Number If we are taking the number 127, it is a decimal. Text file 3 bytes 127. In ASCII decimal 49, 50, 55. In ASCII character format 61, 62, 67. In ASCII binary format 0011 0001. For 2, 0011 0010 0011 0111. Binary file 1 byte. Byte 0 1 1 1 1 1 1 0. If you are taking 2 bytes, it is a short, so 00 00 00 00 0 1 1 1 1 1 1 0. If you are taking 4 bytes in integer, all 8 zeros 0 0, finally 0 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 0. So binary file. Text file an example. If you are taking Unix OOP-12 file, so here 127 faces smiley, so 0 0 0 0 0 0 6 1 1 0 6 2 2 0 6 7 7 0 1 1 is for text line, and 163 for S, 155M, 151I, and then 154 L, and 145 for E, 171 for Y, and 012 slash N, 146. The next line phases. Okay, in phases 146F, 141A, 143C, 145E, 163S, and next line 0 1 2. Binary file. This is another example. And text file IO. The important classes for text file output to the file print writer, file output stream or file writer. Import classes for text file input from the file buffer reader, file reader. File output stream, file reader that takes the file name as an argument. Print writer and buffer reader, it provides the useful method for easier writing and reading. Usually it's need a combination of 2 classes. To use these classes, your programs needs a line like the following. That is import java.io. Buffering, not buffered. Each byte is read or written from to disk as soon as possible. Little delay for each byte. A disk operation per byte is a higher overhead. Buffered, reading or writing in chunks. Some delay for some bytes. Assume if you are taking 16 bytes buffers, reading means it accesses the first 4 bytes, need to wait for all 16 bytes or read from the disk to your memory. Writing, it saves the first 4 bytes, need to wait for all 16 bytes before writing from memory to disk. A disk operation for a buffer of bytes is a lower overhead. Every file has 2 names. The stream name used by Java, that is output stream in the example. The name used by the operating system, out.txt is the example. Text file output. To open a text file for output, you have to connect a text file to the stream for writing. A printer writer, output stream is equal to new print writer, new file output stream, out.txt. Similar to the long way, file output stream S is equal to new file output stream, out.txt. So print the output stream is equal to new print writer of S. The main goal is create a print writer object which uses file output stream to open a text file. File output stream connects print writer to a text file. This is the output file streams: memory, print writer, system, smiley output stream, file output stream, disk, smiley task.txt. So print writer smiley out stream is equal to new print writer, new file output stream of smiley text.